Pérez into braking too late, basically, leaning on those front tyres when they don't give him enough mechanical grip. Look at this, top four then, almost nose to tail.
Just under 10 minutes to go in this race. And a couple of seconds between the top four in this race.
What a race. We've had everything, haven't we? Absolutely everything. Controversy, chaos, uncertainty, and now here we are, 6 o'clock in the evening.
Science is on it here, Science is on it here. He got a good exit out of Portier. He's going to try and go the impossible way around the chicane, and Pérez was wise to it. Sergio Pérez, who started at the top 6 in Monaco for the first time ever, who has led a race in Monaco for the first time ever, who suffered disappointment in Barcelona last time out, and who has rebounded in some style to take his third victory in Formula 1. It's Pérez in the Principality. He wins the Monaco Grand Prix. Carlos Sainz once more has to settle for a runners-up spot behind a Red Bull here in Monaco. Max Verstappen completes the podium with third place, and Charles Leclerc in his own race comes home to finish for the first time. But that might not be too much comfort for a race where he led